Hello, Mr. DJ Loloy P. I will be singing a song entitled Love Story para ito sa lahat ng mga taong nai-love. But this is most specially dedicated to my BFF in Cagayan de Oro, who is the pharmacist in the City Health Department. And I guess right now, she was assigned to City Hospital for some reasons nga need kayo ang iyang expertise dito. BFF Tucci, Cool, Helios. The song is entitled Love Story because as what you have mentioned, you like this song. This is my gift for you for this Valentine's Day. I know you are so much in love to your family, in love to our God. And this is also for all people who are madly in love to Jesus Christ. And dedicated also to all the families out there, especially also to my wife. Love Story. My BFF in Cagayan de Oro, Tucci. That's for you. Clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap your hands. Well, I will also mention my BFF, Lucia Davis. Thank you for sponsoring my Loyal Got Talent. Bye. God bless you, ha? Gayo ayo mo diha. Di mo mag-away, ha? Sige ba. Be humble. Di mo mag-away. Away lugar. So, kamugid ako pinaka-close kay diya sa City Health Department. Bye. God bless you. Og Happy Valentine's Day, ha? Sister Lucia ha, in love ka maging kaayo. Bye-bye. Sister Tutsi, take care.